Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Ready. Nice. That's a lot of time.
Okay.
6:52.
Kyle Lamb's triple threat drill from concealment in 6.52. Got it clean, one real close flyer.
That's close, but it counts.
I don't know the exact what Kyle Lamb's targets are, but we did 3 body shots on an 8 or 9 inch plate. Headshot, and then a pelvis type shot. One a close hit, and then another close hit on the body. But again, I got it in 6.52 from concealment. Yep.
All right, VTech drill. Triple threat. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Ready. Seven. Triple threat. Shooter ready. Stand by. Ready.
Near miss. 3-1.
Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Ready. 3-1. Two, 3. One. Nice. Threw a couple, but good.
Get on my front sight again.
Shoot ready. Stand by. 1, 2. Okay.
Yep.
Shooter ready. Yep. Stand by. 1, 3.
2-3.